The anticipation surrounding Samsung's Galaxy S25 series has reached fever pitch, and it's easy to see why. With groundbreaking advancements expected in both design and performance, the Galaxy S25 promises to push the boundaries of what we can expect from a smartphone. The latest leaks point to a phone that offers nothing short of an elite experience, boasting features that could revolutionize how we interact with mobile devices. But the real question on everyone's mind is, how much of an upgrade will the Galaxy S25 really be? One of the most exciting aspects of the Galaxy S25 is its power under the hood. With a move to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the Galaxy S25 lineup is making a bold departure from the Exynos chip Samsung previously relied on. The decision to opt for the Snapdragon 8 Elite, especially with overclocking, means we can expect blazing fast performance that will make even the most resource-intensive tasks seem effortless. But this shift isn't just a performance boost. It also means a more consistent experience across all markets, a major improvement for Samsung fans worldwide, especially in regions where Exynos chips were previously the norm. But what does this mean for you as a potential buyer? The Galaxy S25 will come with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring that multitasking is smoother than ever. For those who demand even more power, the S25 Ultra is rumored to support up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, making it a true powerhouse for heavy users and mobile gamers alike. And it's not just about the specs on paper. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's enhancements in AI and performance optimization promise to provide a faster, more seamless experience in real-world usage. Speaking of gaming, Samsung is clearly eyeing mobile gamers with the Galaxy S25. With game-frame interpolation technology powered by Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0, this phone takes mobile gaming to a new level. Games that typically run at 60 Hz can now achieve a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering a fluid and immersive gaming experience. This, paired with Qualcomm's Snapdragon game's super resolution, upscales game resolution without taxing the system, giving gamers the smoothest performance possible while keeping heat generation under control. It's features like this that are setting the Galaxy S25 apart from the competition and showing that Samsung is fully committed to making mobile gaming a core part of its flagship experience. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where Samsung truly stands out. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a stunning titanium build, which not only looks sleek, but is also incredibly durable. Whether you're looking at the eye-catching titanium blue or one of the other metallic shades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will surely turn heads. The sleek design isn't just for show, it also makes the phone feel incredibly premium in hand. With rounded corners that improve ergonomics, the device's display, a 6.8-inch HD plus LTPO AMOLED panel, promises to be one of the best in the market, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks, while the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures everything looks silky smooth. But what about the camera system? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a photography beast, with a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP periscope lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens. This is a camera setup that rivals even professional-grade gear, making it the ideal choice for anyone who wants to capture high-quality photos and videos on the go. With features like 8K video recording at 30 fps and 4K at 120 fps, it's clear that Samsung is taking mobile videography seriously. Whether you're snapping landscape shots or zooming in on distant subjects, the S25 Ultra's camera system will capture every detail with impressive clarity. And if you're concerned about battery life, don't be. With a 5,000 mAh battery and 45 W fast charging, the Galaxy S25 Ultra ensures you won't be left scrambling for a charger during the day. It's a phone that can keep up with your busiest schedule, whether you're working, gaming, or shooting content. What really sets the Galaxy S25 series apart, however, is its software. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will ship with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 7.0, bringing with it new features and enhancements that are tailored to take full advantage of the device's power. One of the standout features is the advanced AI enhancements that will make the phone smarter and more intuitive over time. From predicting your needs to streamlining your workflow, One UI 7.0 looks to be one of the most polished and user-friendly interfaces Samsung has ever created. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. Samsung has always positioned its Ultra devices as premium offerings, and it's safe to say that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will continue this trend. However, with all these enhancements to design, performance, and camera technology, the price tag might be well worth it for those who demand the best. In conclusion, the Galaxy S25 series looks set to be a game changer, combining cutting-edge performance with stunning design and advanced features that will elevate the smartphone experience. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who appreciates the best in mobile technology, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has something to offer. The only question left is, will you be one of the first to experience it?